What's the meaning of continued? Continued. Continued.
Continued. Continued. The word continued is an adjective that describes something that is ongoing or persistent. It indicates that an action, process, or state of being has been ongoing and has not stopped yet. For example, if we say the continued growth of the business, it suggests that the business has been growing and is still growing. In summary, continued implies that something has been going on for a period of time and will continue to do so in the foreseeable future. It is often used to convey a sense of persistence, consistency, or durability in relation to a particular circumstance or activity.